Okay, I'm here at Montenegro shipping lines, booking our ticket to Dumaguete from Siquijor. So I'm paying a total of 1,690. Thank you, ma'am. So we leave at 4:30, but we have to show up here at 4 o'clock. If we miss the boat, refund would be made in Dumaguete, over at Dumaguete. Thank you. This is the office of Montenegro Shipping Port, and also the environment here at the port of Siquijor. Entering Siquijor port, and as usual, we will be paying the PPA fee. This is where we pay the PPA. We just pay the terminal fee, 14 pesos for each passenger. We just paid for our PPA, which is 129 pesos. I must say that of all the ports I've been to Negros, to Cebu, Cebu to Bohol, Bohol to Siquijor. This is the most hayahay kaayo. So this is the most hayahay procedure ever. So thank you. Congratulations sa inyong sister. This is the most organized and orderly and peaceful port ever. We just breezed through the process. That's so nice. Ready with our ticket for our transfer to Dumaguete. Hen, what is your experience in Siquijor?
Okay, so I think that it really paid off to buy that potion from the witch. I didn't believe her at first, but when she said, "What potion would you like out of these three?" and one was a truth potion, but since I am so truthful, I did not need that. The other was a love potion. Since I'm already so in love with myself, then I did not need that. So she was a bit confused, but she pulled a third out. And the third was easy entry on through any port in the Philippines. So
that's the magic potion.
I reluctantly purchased that because I thought that was impossible. But lo and behold, it has worked miracles already on the first shot, because this experience was the smoothest of all. So I am a happy camper, and I am going to sleep.
Only at Siquijor Port. So we're on the boat and maneuvering the car, backing. This is Joan of Arc from the port of Siquijor, and see you in Dumaguete. Bye bye for now. Oops.